Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. So today we are going to see how to make a potion of strength in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So it will increase your attack damage, and for that what you need to do is go to crafting table and then place blaze rod. You can get it from nether and then it will turn into blaze powder. After that you can go to brewing stand and then fill it with water bottles. You can make your own water bottles made out of glass, and then you can right click on water to go and fill them. And then after that what you can do is add one blaze powder with the nether wart, and you can get them from the nether. Now go and have an awkward potion, add in blaze powder, and that's it. Now we have a potion of strength which will increase our attack damage. You can see when applied +3 and +6.
Thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked it, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.